Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Mahdi English School online education. I am here with a new session of mathematics. Let's begin our day with a meaningful thought. Thought for the day is the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Yes, my dear students, your future is definitely belongs to your thoughts, your desires, your dreams. So, think positive, get positive, and get ready for your bright future. A very large best of luck to everybody for their bright future. So, before we start the lecture, everyone sit straight, make your back straight. Very good. Now tell me, my dear, how are you all? Well, very good. How was the first session of chapter number 7? Is anybody having any queries regarding that? If yes, then we can solve it during the lecture. So everyone, first of all, write the date and day in this corner. Standard 1, subject maths. Now you all know that from last lecture we have started chapter number 7, subtracting greater numbers. So everyone write the heading chapter 7, subtracting, subtracting, greater, greater, numbers, numbers. Look, my dear students, this is the virtual class. So here you all have to copy with me, as well as you all have to learn and repeat after me, so that you all can understand it well and memorize it well. So get ready and write the heading. Okay? Before we start, let's take a quick recap. First of all, let me inform you with learning objectives for the whole chapter 7. What we are going to learn in this chapter is counting back to subtract, addition facts, subtracting one digit from two-digit number, subtraction using number strip, double digit subtraction, and problem solving. Now, as this is the second lecture or session of this chapter, now tell me, who remembers what we have completed in previous lecture? In previous lecture, we already completed this counting back to subtract. And yes, of course, today we are going to take a quick recap for the same. So let's begin the lecture. Learning objectives for today are revision, using your addition facts to subtract, and table of 2. First of all, let's understand what is subtraction. Subtraction is an arithmetic operation that represents the operation of removing objects from a collection. The result of a subtraction is called a difference. Subtraction is signified by the minus sign. What does this tell us? That subtraction isn't one type of operation where we have to remove some objects out of given objects. At the end, the result of subtraction is called a difference. And subtraction is signified by minus sign. Okay? In previous lecture, we understand about counting back to subtract, as well as we make practice of the sum related to counting backward to subtract. So let's understand first how to make backward counting. Suppose there were 18 animals watching the race and 3 animals left early. How many animals were left watching the race? What does it say? That in a jungle where the race occurs, 18 animals were watching. And after some time, 3 animals left away. They went away. So, how many animals were left watching the race? How many animals were present on the ground to watch the race? So, first of all, here we have to prepare the equation. 18 minus 3. Now look how we can subtract by the method of counting back. First of all, we have to find out bigger number. Start with the bigger number. Now see, here 18 is the bigger number. After that, count back 3 numbers. After 18, go back, means before numbers. Count back means before numbers. Before 18, 17, 16 and 15. You will reach at 15. So we can say that there were 15 animals left watching the race. Solve by counting back. 19 minus 2. Keep number 19 with you. Look, in the comparison of 2, 19 is the bigger number. 19 before 18 and 17. So 17 will be the answer. 19 minus 2, we get 17. 1 to 12 minus 3. So first of all, we should keep number 12. 12 before 11, 10 and 9. We reach at 9, so it will be the answer. 12 minus 3 is equal to 9. 16 minus 2. As 16 is the bigger number, keep it with you. Make 2 steps backward counting. 16 before 15 and 14. We reach at 14. So it will be the answer. 11 minus 2. We get 9. 11 minus 2 is equal to 9. 14 minus 1. Look, my dear students, here we are not going from ones column or tens column, as we are solving this by counting back. So we have to keep the bigger number with us. 14 minus 1. Before 14 there will come number 13. So 14 minus 1 we get 13. Solve this. Remember the rules, means we have to follow this method, counting backward. 16 minus 6. 16 before, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11 and 10. So it will be the answer. 16 minus 6 is equal to 10. 18 minus 0. Now my dear students, you all are familiar with the rule of subtraction, that whenever you are going to subtract any number with 0, you will get the same number as an answer. So 18 minus 0 is equal to 18. 15 minus 15, we get 0. 14 minus 1, we get 13. 17 minus 16, we get 1. So, my dear students, I hope you all understand and remember what we have learned in previous lecture. Today we are going to learn using your addition facts to subtract. This is very interesting thing which we are going to learn. 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 all together becomes 1, 3, 13. So what's new here? Here we are going to make comparison. On the both way we are going to make comparison, that is this equation right or wrong. This number strip is having 13 numbers, same like this. Now let's compare what happens. It says 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. This whole number strip is having 13 numbers, and green color is having 7 blocks in each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 13 minus 7 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. Now what is remaining? 13 minus 7. 6, sorry. Let's do it. 13 minus 6. As you all know that this number strip is having 13 blocks in it. So we are going to subtract 6 out of that. Here we have done it. See how many blocks are remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 13 minus 6 is equal to 7. So here we have compared the sum as well as addition and subtraction. Let's see some more examples. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Now we have to prove that 15 minus 5 is equal to what? As 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. So 15 minus 5 is equal to what? Now look, this total number strip is having 15 numbers on it, 15 blocks. So we have to subtract 5 out of that. Here we already have removed that 5 blocks. Now see how many are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. Minus 10. Again, you all know that this number strip is having 15 blocks in it. And here we have removed 10 out of that. Now see how many blocks are remaining there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 15 minus 10 is equal to 5. Here we have proved that 10 plus 5 is equal to 15, as well as 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. 15 minus 10 is equal to 5. Let's make practice regarding the same. Look, what does it says? First, match the addition fact to the subtraction one and then solve. What does it says? First of all, we have to match the addition fact to the subtraction one and then solve it. Here we have one example. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. Match with 11 minus 5. So what will be the answer? What we have learnt now? 11 minus 5 is equal to, what is this? 5 plus 6. So what will be the answer? It will be 6. We already have the match option here. If you want to check, we can count it by counting backward. 11 before, 10, 9, 8, 7 and 6. 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. Now exactly what we have to do, look. Here we have 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. So in this column we have to find out the related sum. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. Look, this option is related with this, that we are going to subtract 9 from 12. 12 minus 9. So what will remain there? Answer is already in this equation. There remains a number 3. 12 before, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4 and 3. 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. When 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. Let's match it. Next one is 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. So look in this column where you find the same equation. This is 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. So we have to start the equation which is starting with 13. Look, this is starting with 13. 13 minus 8. What will be the answer? 13 minus 8. 13 before 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 and 5. 13 minus 8, we get number 5. So which step is remaining now? To match it. We have to match both these columns. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13 when 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. Listen, my dear students, understand this properly, because in today's homework you have to copy this in your maths fair book. Next one is 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. So in this column we have to start the equation which is starting from 14. Here it is 14 minus 10. Now see what will happen if we are going to subtract 10 out of 14. 14 before 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 and 4. We reach at 4. So 14 minus 10 is equal to 4. We are going to match. Last one is remaining, which is 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. This column is starting with 15. 15 minus 8. 15 before 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. Look, these both are equal. 8 plus 7 is equal to 15 when 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. Let's match it. These both are in a equal balance. So I hope you all understand this. Solve with the help of doubles addition facts. Look, my dear students, here also we have to make comparison. 18 minus 9. 18 minus 9, what we get? We get 9. Because 9 plus 9 is equal to what? 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18. 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. 18 minus 9 is equal to 9 because 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. Why? Because 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. Here we have to balance the equation. 14 minus 7 is equal to 7. Why? Because 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. I hope you all understand this, and today in your homework you have to complete this both exercise in your maths fair book. Okay? Everyone, now get ready to learn and write table of 2. Yes, today we are going to learn table of 2. So you all have to read and write with me the same table. Write the heading TABLE, table of 2. Let's start it. Two ones are two, two twos are four, two threes are six, two fours are eight, two fives are 10, two sixes are 12, two sevens are 14, two eights are 16, two nines are 18, two tens are 20. Everyone has completed the table with me? Very nice. Now it's time to note down the homework. Write down the homework. Match the addition facts to subtraction one time in maths fair book. The exercise which we have completed today, you have to complete it in your maths fair book and make sure that you have to write it with a very good handwriting. So my dear students, what we have learned today? Today, first of all, we make revision of previous lecture counting back to subtract. After that, we make practice of match the addition facts to subtraction. First we understand it with the example. After that we make practice with different sums. After that we learn table of 2. So my dear students, at your home you all have to read well, write well, study well, and yes, stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye-bye everyone.